Worm. Wheat. Corn.
Good job! Cherry and her chick are full and happy now.
Fruits. Grass. Leaves. Well done! Daisy has settled down now that she has a full and happy belly. Meat. Bone. Biscuit. Biscuit. You're good at this. Ted has eaten, and he's ready for a quick nap. Worm. Fish. Snail.
You're doing very well helping out on the farm. Ollie the owl is happy now.
Fred and Olive have arrived in Africa. They are... Choose which of the hungry safari...
Leon the lion sure looks cute and cuddly. We'll feed him carefully, though.
Meat. Meat. Meat.
Good job!
Leon loves to have a nap with a belly full of meaty treats.
Gloria the giraffe and her calf like to reach high into the trees for their food. They still like to be fed special treats, though. Fruits. Grass. Leaves.
You are really good at this. I wish I had your help all the time. The giraffes are very happy.
Xena the zebra and her hungry foal are patiently waiting for their feed. Leaves. Grass. Hey!
Gee, I think you found some stripy friends. They enjoyed that.
Orna the ostrich and her chick have spotted us coming. They love meal times. Corn. Bug. Roots. Larry the leopard loves climbing trees, but it sure makes him hungry.
Wow!
Meat.
Wow!
Meat.
Wow!
Meat.
Wow!
Fantastic! Larry loves a meaty treat. He'll soon be sound asleep and snoring.
Ella the elephant has been swimming in the water hole. She has worked up quite an appetite. Let's give her some very tasty treats. Leaves.
Good going. Ella loves picking up her treats with her trunk. I think she'll probably take a nap now.
Reuben the rhinoceros has been charging around everywhere, and now he's super hungry.
Grass. Fruits. Leaves.
Reuben's actually full up with his huge appetite. That's a first. Good going.
Henry the hippopotamus has been wallowing in his water hole all morning. He likes wallowing nearly as much as he likes lunchtime.
Vegetables. Leaves. 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 Leaves.
Well done. It's not easy satisfying Henry's big appetite. He looks ready for another wallow.
Glenda the gazelle is waiting in a clearing with her little fawn. I think they must know we have some yummy food for them.
Grass. Leaves. Flowers.
Good job. Glenda and her fawn are full and content. Now they can take a rest.